Come test drive the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, MP3 player, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.